Good afternoon, good evening, whatever time of day it is for you. I want to welcome you and thank you for checking out another one of our videos. And I hope you are having a fantastic day. Today we're going to talk about the IBM Food Trust Network. It's changing your food supply and protecting your health. So maybe you're wondering, what does this have to do with cryptocurrency and blockchain? Well, the answer is pretty simple. All cryptocurrencies, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or some other cryptocurrency, uses a technology called blockchain in order to work. So you could think of blockchain as the engine that drives your cryptocurrency car. Another way to think about it is it's kind of like blockchain is kind of like the internet is to email. If you don't have internet, there is no email. And so while email is not the internet, in fact, there's been a whole lot of different applications built on the internet besides just email. I mean, we went from emails to web browsing, to watching movies, to buying stuff online, and on the list goes, to where your phone is highly dedicated, committed to the internet, and you're even using your phone for directions and finding great restaurants and communicating with friends through Facebook or some other social media. The internet ended up changing our lives in a lot of ways. Well, blockchain is going to do the same thing, and it's just that cryptocurrency is one of the first applications or one of the first tools that was built on top of blockchain. And in the future, we're going to see lots of other kinds of tools built on blockchain other than cryptocurrency. The IBM Food Trust Network is one of those types of tools that has been built on top of a blockchain. Now, the IBM Food Trust Network is not built on a blockchain that you and I would normally use. It's not built on the Bitcoin blockchain. It's not built on the Ethereum blockchain. And it's not built on one of the other blockchains that most cryptocurrencies use today. But rather, IBM went out and built their own blockchain, and they run the IBM Food Trust Network on this blockchain that's exclusive to the IBM Food Trust Network. So, before we get into it, Luminate Crypto, we believe that you can do this. We believe that you can make money with Bitcoin, with cryptocurrencies. We believe that you can do great things with this, and we want you to succeed. That's why we make these videos, is to help you succeed in however you want to succeed with cryptocurrency. And I know that you want to change the world, and cryptocurrency is a great vehicle for you to be able to do that. We can help, and let us know how we can help you. So, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I'm not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Do your own research. So back here, Albertsons joins IBM Food Trust Blockchain Network to track romaine lettuce from farm to store. The interesting thing about this is that Albertsons is joining the IBM Food blockchain-based Food Trust Network, which operates nearly 2,300 stores across America. They will begin piloting IBM Food Trust to improve how food is traced from farm to store shelf. Blockchain technology has the potential to be transformational for us as we further build differentiation on our fresh brand, says Anuj Dahanda, Albertsons Company's Chief Information Officer. Food safety is a very significant step. Through the provenance of the products enabled by blockchain, the ability to track every move from the farm to the customer's basket can be very empowering for our customers. Now, here's really the hair on fire problem that this is solving. When there's let's say there's contaminated romaine lettuce, and you heard about it on the news, and so you're not eating romaine lettuce anymore, sometimes it takes days for the different stores to go from the store back to the warehouse, all the way back, tracing it all the way back to the farm to try and find the source of the contamination so that they know what stores currently carry that contaminated product and that product can be removed from the store shelves. Now, the reason why it can take days is because traditionally all of that is written down in paper and with pen and paper into ledger books. And so in order for them to trace that back, somebody has to call Joe. Joe pulls out the book and he looks through the ledger to figure out, oh, that head of lettuce came on Sam's truck. And so then they trace Sam's trucks back to the farm that head of lettuce came from. And so because there's so many steps between the farm and your basket, your shopping cart, they have to trace those steps back manually one at a time. Well, the IBM Food Trust Network is building all of this on blockchain, and so the blockchain is recording every one of those steps from the farm all the way to the store shelf and eventually into your shopping basket as you go through the grocery store. And so what this enables them to do is in 2.2 seconds, they can figure out what farm that head of lettuce was grown on, and every single truck, warehouse, storage facility that ever held that head of lettuce. And 2.2 seconds, I mean, that's just amazingly fast, but they have the entire chain of events from farm to market immediately. And so it'll make food safety extremely fast. Now, from Albertsons' perspective, it also does a lot of other things, such as helps them reduce the amount of time that they have products on the shelf. They can manage their inventories better and a whole lot of things along those lines to make them more profitable and to make sure that you're getting the freshest possible product. Now, Albertsons is not the only store chain that's using this. Walmart and a host of other chains are actually using the IBM Food Trust Network that's been built on blockchain technology. And just for your information, if you're curious and you want to go to the website, it's at ibm.com/blockchain/solutions/food-trust. One of the things that a lot of people don't know is that IBM is actually one of the world's largest blockchain developers. So companies that are looking for blockchain solutions, IBM is a company that can come and build that for various corporations. And they've gone out and built their Food Trust Network, and then they're selling it as a product to a whole variety of other companies and encouraging others to join the ecosystem. So it actually sounds, in my opinion, this is a great thing. I'm really glad to see that somebody has been able to develop this, that it's actually working. In fact, while Albertsons is on the verge of implementing this, Walmart did it back in 2018, 2019. Walmart implemented the IBM Food Trust Network. And today, in order for you to be a farmer distributing products to Walmart, if you're not on the IBM Food Trust Network, they will not accept any products from you. And so they've taken a very strict stand on the farmers that are providing them with products, requiring them to be utilizing the IBM Food Trust Network in order to protect their customers' health and safety and provide the freshest possible products. And so it's really interesting how Bitcoin, who started the blockchain network, how that's exploding into something entirely, that's going to enter into many areas of our lives, similar to the way the internet has. The internet was invented back in the 80s. Actually, I think it was back in the 70s. I don't remember when the date the internet actually went live, but it was mostly governments and universities that were using it in its days of origin. And it's come a long ways. It's amazing how far the internet has come. And over time, we're going to see similar transformations occurring with blockchain, just like we're seeing the IBM Food Trust Network. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? So, how can I be of service to you? Down below is a link to a private form that you can fill out anonymously and send us comments. You can politely disagree with anything that we're saying. You can also ask if you want us to reply back to you. You can give us an email address and a name if you're interested in a reply. Also available is you can use the comments below and comment on this video. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and hodl. I hope you have a fantastic day.